Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has the potential to revolutionize your kitchen prep time. We found the Cuisinart PrepExpress vegetable and fruit box chopper and added a link in the description below so you can check its latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what this product is all about. The Cuisinart PrepExpress is designed to simplify food preparation by allowing you to chop vegetables and fruits quickly and efficiently. With its innovative design, you can create uniform dices and long cuts of various ingredients, from onions and potatoes to peppers, apples, carrots, and cucumbers. If you're someone who enjoys cooking but often finds prep work tedious, this tool could be a game changer for you. One of the standout features of the PrepExpress is its versatility. It comes with interchangeable large and small stainless steel blade grids, which means you can customize your chopping based on the dish you're preparing. Whether you're looking to dice an onion for a stir-fry or slice cucumbers for a refreshing salad, this chopper has you covered. The precision chopping platform is also angled, which allows for effortless chopping without the need to trim larger pieces beforehand. It's designed to make your life easier in the kitchen. Another great feature is the Nonslip base, which ensures that the chopper stays securely in place while you work. This means you can chop with confidence, knowing that the chopper won't slip or slide around on your countertop. The durable collection container holds up to 4 cups, which is perfect for meal prep. It even has measurement markings inside, so you can easily keep track of how much you've chopped. Plus, once you're done, you can safely store the blade grids and the included cleaning tool right in the container, making cleanup a breeze. Now, who is the Cuisinart PrepExpress suitable for? This chopper is ideal for anyone who spends time in the kitchen, whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook just starting out. It's especially useful for families who prepare meals in larger quantities or for those who enjoy entertaining guests. If you frequently make salads, soups, or sides, this tool can help you save time and ensure your ingredients are cut uniformly, which is not only visually appealing but also affects the cooking process. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're hosting a dinner party and need to prepare a large salad. The PrepExpress can chop up all your ingredients in minutes, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your meal. Or perhaps you're meal prepping for the week. This chopper can quickly dice vegetables for stir-fries or soups, making it easier to create healthy, homemade meals when you're short on time. You can even use it for slicing fruits for breakfast or snacks, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. In conclusion, the Cuisinart PrepExpress vegetable and fruit box chopper is a fantastic tool that combines versatility, convenience, and superior design. Whether you're preparing meals for your family or cooking for a crowd, this chopper can make your food prep faster and easier than ever before. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.